Hey, Bubba does.
Hi everybody! Today we're going to draw F from alphabet lore. I hope you'll follow along with me. Today all you'll need is a black marker and anything to color with. Let's get started! Okay, first we're going to take our black marker and we're going to start with the eyes of F. We're going to fill out kind of the middle of the page, so make sure we're starting about right here so we can go out over here. So the eyes are going to start right here. We're going to do this kind of squared off oval shape like that. We'll do another eye. They're pointing down towards each other. Like this. Perfect. And then we'll do the eyelids on top. Just like that. Next, we'll fill in the pupils. It's looking really good. And then a line out here and stop. And then we'll come down a little and stop. And then back in under the eyes. And we're gonna go all the way around to fill out this F shape. And then down. And then I'm gonna start from the eye and head all the way down and close off there. Now to finish off our F, we're gonna give it some really jagged, sharp teeth. Like that. Perfect. And there we have our F shape. Now to finish our F, we're gonna fill it in with some color. How about we do, you know what? Maybe we'll go black. Let's fill this all the way in with black. I have this big marker, this big black I can fill in. Fill in those eyelids. And then we're gonna come down and fill in the rest of the body. But remember not to fill in the teeth or the eyes. We wanna leave those white. On this side. Perfect. Wow, that turned out so great.
Yeah.
You did a really good job following along with me. I hope you'll come back soon so we can draw more characters. Bye.
Please make sure to subscribe and share with your friends. This helps YouTube continue to share our videos so that more kids around the world can continue to learn how to draw with Bubba. Thank you!
Big box. Videos.